Hello guys, welcome to our channel again. Today I'm going to do a video on how to install Slack on Linux. So Slack is an application, a communication application that is used in the workplace by employees and employers to communicate and share files as they work within the company or the organization. It's a very important tool. It has project management and chat features integrated with it that makes workers easily work together in the workplace and communicate while doing so. So today we are going to set it up on Linux. So go to slack.com. It will take you to the home page of the Slack website. So go to products, select download Slack, and this is going to take you to the download page. And if you look at it, Slack for Linux, it already detects my system that's a Linux system, and it gives me the option of downloading a .deb package, which is used for Ubuntu Linux. So you also have another option of Slack installing the Snap version. The Snap version of Slack has all the dependencies bundled together. I've talked about this before, Snap. So if to install it, you follow this simple command and then install Slack on your system. But I'm going to use the .deb file instead. So for us to get it, you just have to click on download. Just have to click on download for us to download it. But I'm not going to be downloading it in this video. I've already done so. So I have it here on my desktop. So once you have the file downloaded, simply click on open, then select the Debi package installer. In a previous video, I've done how to get GDB on your system and the purpose of GDB. It makes it very easy for you to install .deb packages. But if you don't have it installed, you can use the software install. But since I have GDB, I use this instead. So click on open. It's loading the application. So first of all, the GDB does one thing, that it checks if the dependencies are for the applications are available. If they are not, it will download it before it installs it. So it says all dependencies are satisfied. So that means all the dependencies that Slack needs to work with on my system, they're already there. So I just go to install package, enter my password. So it's doing the installation. So installation complete. So we now have Slack. So if you search for Slack, so we now have Slack installed on our system just like that. So that's how you go to install Slack on your system. So then you can sign into Slack and begin using it. So thank you very much for sticking out with us today. So do it to share, like, and subscribe to our channel so that we continue to produce very important Linux videos like this. Thank you very much.